feathers? Pigeons, eagles, swans, and blue jays are all different kinds of birds. Most birds can fly. Tortoise and penguins are two kinds of birds that cannot fly. What is this passage about? What birds are like? Why some birds can fly? Where birds have feathers?
Fish.
Huh?
Big